In this video, we're going to learn about insurance. To start, let's answer the question, what is insurance? Insurance is when a person or business pays a fee or premium to protect against possible losses or expenses. Doing business without it is risky, like climbing without safety equipment. Having insurance is a good risk management technique to help protect from risk. Let's discuss some important terms to know. Risk is the chance of loss occurring. Claim is the loss itself, and actuary is a formula used by insurance companies to figure out premiums.
Next, let's discuss why a person or business would buy insurance. Obviously, in business and in life, there are many unforeseeable hazards like bad weather, fires, or injuries. Insurance can be very helpful to have when these hazards occur. It's smart to protect your assets in case a hazard occurs. Paying an insurance premium might cost some money at first, but if an accident occurs, it will save you money in the long run, and that is always good.
There are three main types of insurance: property, liability, and employee. Let's start with property. Within property insurance, there are three specific types of coverage: basic, broad, and special. Basic protects against fires, mischief, lightning, explosions, windstorms, vehicles, and vandalism. Broad coverage protects everything that basic does, with the addition of falling objects, ice, water, and smoke damage. Special coverage includes all losses like collapse, burglary, and theft, with a few exceptions.
Now let's look at liability insurance. It protects against injury and property damage as a result of negligence. If a business is sued, general liability insurance will cover the legal costs and the awards for damages. Athletes purchase liability insurance to protect against losses as a result of injury.
The third main type of insurance is employee insurance. This is relatively inexpensive compared to the other types, and it is currently popular with businesses because it protects their assets when oversight happens. For example, if a business pays for employee health insurance and then hires a new employee, but forgets to add them to the plan, the business is covered if the new employee gets sick and has a claim.
There are a couple different types of insurance that we will need to discuss: workers' compensation and event insurance. Workers' compensation provides wage and replacement and medical benefits when employees are hurt on the job. This prevents employees from suing the employer. Event insurance is designed to provide broad protection for situations where an event manager needs defense against lawsuits from third parties. A common example of this is someone suing when they get injured at an event.
So, how does insurance apply to the recreation industry? Recreation facilities definitely need several types of insurance to protect organizations against lawsuits. Athletes often use liability insurance to protect from losses that occur as a result of injuries. And recreation organizations often employ a lot of people and need employee insurance and workers' comp to protect themselves. Hopefully, now you know more about what insurance is, why it's important, and how it applies to the recreation field.